guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to show you this palette that I'm going to use today. But first I want to let you guys know that I love you so much and I'm so grateful for your support, and you guys are all so sweet, and I'm so sorry that my first video was boring. So I'm sorry, I am not that monotone or boring. It's just not me, and I was just so nervous, and I'm so glad that you guys are patient with me and that you guys just ended up liking my look. Thank you so much, and I hope you like this look today. I'm going to be using the ColourPop Villains Misunderstood palette. This is the packaging, which is so amazing. Like, I love Disney. Who doesn't love Disney? Disney is amazing. This is like my childhood right here. And look at all these colors. Just gorgeous. Gorgeous. Oh. So I'm gonna get into the swatches. We have No Spots, Mongrels, Diablo, Devious, Underworld, Pain and Panic, Forest of Thorns, Flotsam, and The Fates. And then the last row is Revenge, Sing, it's like this, Revenge, Sing, Jetsam, Facile, and 101. So I'm gonna get into a look today, and I hope you guys like it, and let's get started. So first I'm going to, of course, start with my brow bone, because that's what I like to do. I'm gonna go in with No Spots. Oh, do you guys see this pigment? I'm planning on doing the No Spots, and then I'm like, I could just go with just this for my brow bone highlight, but I want to shine. As you can see, I like to shine. So I'm going to go in with Mongrels over this. I mean, can you see that? Oh, that is so gorgeous. Love it. That's gonna be a really pretty inner corner highlight too. Okay, and now we're gonna go in for that inner corner highlight and a little bit of like the beginning of the lid. First, I'm gonna go in with my flat brush, which I'm using Alamar Cosmetics, one of the brushes. I will be using all of her brushes today. Then to make it pop more, I'm gonna just pop my finger. I just like to use a brush for a little bit more control, but yeah, I like that. And then I'm going to use a different brush. First, I'm gonna use my Luxie Taper Blending Brush 229 brush, and I'm gonna go into a transition shade. And this is called Tragic. You always want to use a transition shade to get your shadows to blend seamlessly, especially if you're using dark shadows, but it's always good to use a transition shade with every look that you do. And then I'm gonna go into Devious, which is a little bit darker. And I'm just gonna put that around my crease and a little bit by my brow bone. Not too crazy, not like no Mimi from Drew Carey. And this is gonna be blended. And now I'm gonna go into the Fates, which is this blue color. So I've used this color, Tragic and Devious, and now I'm gonna go into the Fates, into just like right where the crease is, just a little bit, to add a little extra dimension, and it's gonna darken up this color I want to put on. So I'm just going to carefully put that on there. I don't want it too high. And just carefully blend it because she's pigmented. That's a pretty color. Now I'm gonna go into Diablo with my Alamar Cosmetics flat brush. Come on. That is gorgeous. I just love the control that this brush gives me. And then when I want to pop a little bit more color, because I'm extra, I need all the pigment I can get. I'm going to pop my finger on it right after I do this. This just gives me control. But this is good pigment right there. But I'm extra and I need more. So now I'm gonna use my finger and I'm just gonna tap that on there. You see that green? Yes. I'm just gonna tap that on there. Now I'm gonna go into Facile, which is a deeper green with a bunch of gold reflex. Oh, so pretty. So pretty! Oh, I love that. Now I'm gonna pop my finger because I need all the pigment I can get. Yep, there she is. That's what I'm talking about. All the pigment I can get. I want to just like blend these together. Gorgeous. And then I'm going to pop Facile. I hope I'm saying that right. Right on here. Just dabbing it on. I'm kind of mixing it like with the light green, the Diablo, and Facile. Now I'm gonna go in with my Alamar Cosmetics blending brush. This is really good. And I'm gonna go back into Devious. I'm going to add more color. Blending is the key. Even like if you do windshield wiper motions or circular motions, that's a way of blending as well. Wow, did you see how that just like blended that like so fast? These shadows are so amazing, so pigmented. And this looks crazy right now, but wait till you get some mascara and liner and lashes. It's gonna look good. It's gonna look really good. Your eyeshadow might look crazy to you when you're doing a look, up until you start doing your liner, and then you're like, oh, okay, that looks good. Or until you do your mascara. And then if you do lashes, then it just really completes the whole entire look. But if you don't do lashes, mascara's great as well. Okay, now I'm gonna put on some liner, lashes, and mascara, and then that'll be the final look. Okay guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys really like this look. You can get this look using the ColourPop Disney Villains Misunderstood palette. It's gorgeous, pigmented, so glam. You can do some neutral looks in there. It's awesome. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. And if you guys haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. And have a wonderful day. I love you guys so much. Thank you.